Green Point Ads is a great traffic source. They have access to over 50 million daily visitors, and they sell a number of different kinds of traffic. They do pop unders, layer ads, mobile traffic, and dating traffic. You can check out their site for more information on that. Now, why is this good traffic? Well, for one thing, the core demographic that you're reaching is one that costs more through other advertising methods. Okay, this demographic is mostly male. They're tech savvy. A lot of them are making $100,000 a year. A lot of them have smartphones. They like to purchase online frequently. They like luxury brands. They like business opportunities and more. So basically, this demographic is easy to sell to as long as you sell the right thing to them. Okay, another reason this is a great traffic source is that they are just cheap comparatively compared to other advertising sources if you want to reach this demographic. Another reason this is a great traffic source is that it is unlimited inventory. If you find something that works, you can just scale up. And another reason this is a good traffic source is that you can advertise almost anything to this demographic as long as it is something that they are interested in. Actually, if you go to, let's see, the FAQ section here on their websites, let me just quickly do that here. They have one where it shows what kind of traffic does Green Point offer, and in here it says advertisers report that our traffic works best, but not exclusively, with dating, gambling, video gaming, app software install, business opportunity, awareness branding, iPhone, iPad giveaways, surveys, and auto offers.